Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method in Wix.com. Okay, so let's begin. So let's go to the Wix website. Let's say that you already logged in your account, in your Wix account. Okay, just you can see this arrow right here. Okay, so just click it and you will be having options here. So click on account settings. Okay, so you can also see from the left side of the screen payment methods. Okay, so after clicking that, please click add a payment method. So you can add uh, the information here that is required for you to add a payment method here in Wix. Okay, so let's wait for it to respond. It will definitely do, but Wix responsiveness is one of the downsides of this website. Okay, so you can see here uh, some field that needs to be filled in. Okay, for example, this one card number, expiration. Okay, so you can see the partners, Visa, Mastercard, and all the other stuff there. Okay, so card number, expiration, CVV, your first name, your last name, invoice details, okay, your address right here, your company name if you have, okay. So it says your card details will be saved for future purchases and subscription renewals. Okay, so if you decide to like subscribe to any of their premium plans, so um, you will be automatically charged. Okay, so I will create another video on how you're going to cancel your subscription here in Wix. Okay, so that is how you're going to add a payment method here in Wix.com. So if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.